Hello everyone. First, let me to introduce myself. My name is Shuffahaq bethraizis. I'm a student of BSc. I'm from System Informatic Majority. Let me introduce you to a computer, software, and operating system, the foundation of the digital world. First, what is the computer? Computer, an electronic device that receives, processes, stores, and output data as useful information. It follows instructions or programmed to perform tasks quickly and accurately, making human work more efficient. Now, we have to know what is the function of a computer. First, two inputs. Two inputs and accepts user data via devices like keyboard, mouse, or sensors. Second is processing. CPU executes instructions to transform data into information. Third is to storage, to save data on drives, ADD, SSD, or cloud for later use. All presence resolved via display, printers, speakers, or actuators. What is software? Or the soul of computer? Software is a collection of programs and instructions that tell hardware what to do. It bridges physical component or hardware and human users, enabling tasks from simple calculation or to complex simulations. There are three types. There are three types of software. First is system softwares to control core hardware and provides platform apps. Examples: Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Second is application software to tools for end user tasks like writing, spreadsheet, or browsing, like example Microsoft Word, Excel, or Chrome. Last but not least is programming software used to create programs and apps, IDEs, compilers, or interpreter. The examples is Visual Studio Code, Python, or C++ toolchains. Now, we get to know is operating system or BOS, a master of coordinator. The operating system is system software that manage hardware resource and provide service for applications. It acts as an intermediary between user, apps, and hardware. Without it, apps cannot run. Now, what is the key function of operating system? First, the operating system is process management to schedules and runs programs. Second is the memory management to allocate its RAM and isolated processes. Third is file management, organizes storage and access control. And four is in or output management, handle device like keyboard and printer. Last but not least is user interface, GUI or CLI for user interactions. Yeah. We have an example for the operating systems. First is Windows, popular desktop operating system by Microsoft, user-friendly, GUI, but software compatible. Second is Linux, Open source operating system used on server, desktop, and embedded system, customizable and free. And the third is macOS. Who don't know what is macOS? Known for policy design and tight hardware integrations. And the last but not least is Android. Mobile operating system powering most smartphones, app ecosystem, and device variety. Well, that we have covered some basic about computer software and operating systems. You have a solid foundation for building your career in the IT field. Thanks for watching my video and keep up the great work.